Hi there, welcome to this video on a recent bathroom remodel that I did. Just a little bit about myself. My name is Richard. I'm originally from Yorkshire in England. I lived in Italy for 15 years and I've lived just outside Atlanta here in the States for the last 10 years. I've always done remodeling, bathrooms, kitchens and tiny houses as well. Here is a video of a recent bathroom remodel that I did for a lovely couple called Fran and Mark, who needed a bathroom updating but also making good for them for what they need now in later life. So more practical and more functional as well as more stylish. And I'll let the pictures do the talking. If you've got any questions on the whole process or any aspect of the process, feel free to drop me a line in the comments below. And I hope you enjoy the video and I hope you find it interesting and I hope you're as impressed with the results and the final finish as Fran and Mark were. Enjoy. So the bathroom is in need of an update, new vanity, new tiles, new shower. Tub is going to be coming out, complete waste of space, they never used it. We'll be raising the toilet as well to make that easier to use. This 3-foot shower will be turned into a beautiful 5-foot shower. I'm giving you a sneak peek of what's to come here. The dated vanity, probably about 30 years old, gets an upgrade as well to something fabulous. As I say, the toilet is going to be raised to a 19-inch high one, which is far more practical. Here's how it all began. This will be a new remodel, new floors, new vanity. This tub is coming out. The shower is getting made bigger. I'll try getting a little better position here. There we go, give you a better idea. We're going to turn that into a 5-foot shower. Tub is going. As I say, new floors, new vanity, new toilet going in, and new painting. First of all, we take the shower door off, and then tiles are going to come down, and the cubicle and the wall will come out. Should look good. So many people have a tiny shower and a big tub that they never use. Getting it out, just check for the cables behind the wall and then cut out in sections. So now the shower is out, doors off, cut the walls, tiles that were on the top came off very nicely in a single sheet. So that's ready for the plumber to get rid of the drain and the outlets. Now to take off the surround trim, the top of the bath and this front plate, and then attack this adjoining partition wall. Great shame to get rid of the tub. It'd only been used twice, but it takes up such a lot of space and they never needed it and never used it, so it had to go, and we moved the partition wall to make a 5-foot shower. The floor is coming out, a little bit more work than I anticipated. There's wire underneath a concrete subfloor that's then tiled on, so that's taking a little bit more. But the shower enclosure is out, the partition wall is out, and everything's looking pretty good and broken out, ready for the plumber to come and disconnect all the lines, and then we can get the tub out hopefully tomorrow. I've still got the vanity to come out, which unfortunately is concreted underneath as well, as is the toilet room. Still to do. The vanity is out without damaging the mirror, which is great. Strangely, this concreting continued nearly all the way under the vanity. So this last bit to come out, everything else is ready for the plumber to do his magic, and then the floor in the bathroom, in the toilet room to come out. Looking good. So unfortunately the tub is too big to get out and too heavy really, so it's going to get broken up with the big hammer. And there we have it, million pieces. At least we can get it out now. Shower tray provisionally positioned so we could build a partition wall, the space in it for the vent to go up through that was there in the original wall, and it should run flush with the edge of the skylight wall. Alright, just to point out that extra studs where you know the shower doors are going to screw into further down the line, and the subfloor is screwed down to the floor. We're raising the floor there and strengthening it at the same time. So now the subfloor is going down, just pasting that out there. The shower tray is in position, but it needs leveling just slightly, so that will get done tomorrow. And then hopefully subfloors down in the toilet room, a few bits to patch in, and we can start the flooring. The flooring comes in a range of finishes, from marble to wood effect. You can choose whatever your heart desires, and it's so easy. All right, progress with the floor going down. Looks fantastic. The cement backerboard gets a rubberized waterproof sealant on it before I screw it to the walls. So on with the backerboard. It's been rubberized so it's waterproof. The shower plumbing is in. The pan is fixed in underneath. Vent pipe going up the wall. Onwards and upwards. So we pre-cut the niche because we've got a shelving unit going in the shower when it's done, and then start to fix these big 4 foot by 2 foot tiles to the walls. I did get a local firm to cut the tiles for me, and even they managed to crack 2 of them, but we were good, and the finished job was great. You use fixer on the tile and on the wall as well to get that extra adhesion, and really if you start it correctly then you finish it correctly. And here we are with it fully tiled, and as I say, if you get the first row in, you really can't go wrong. The spacers were a 1/16 of an inch spacers, so we got a full marble effect as possible in the shower. It really does look impressive when it's done. This is going to be a little space for putting the a towel unit. A nice cupboard is going to go in there eventually. The flooring is down. There's going to be a heated towel rail when you step out of the shower, and the new toilet is in, a nice 19-inch high, easy to get on and off toilet.
Looks great.
Oh, look at this. Oh, man. Gorgeous. Oh, look. Whoops. Richard, I'm sorry.
Don't worry, no, don't touch it, it'll make it worse, I'll do it.
Okay, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry.
So you got the...
Yeah, that's it. And this is, look at this all the way. And there's a special lining up, you know, that's going to be the baseboard across the top. Oh, look. Oh, look. Oh, God. Oh, listen, that makes the room look so much better, doesn't
I
it?
think so.
Holy jamoli.
So.
Are you done?
Of course they am. Of course they am.
Woo, woo,
There you go.
woo.
They chose a beautiful, modern and stylish double vanity, which really set the room off to a treat. And with the finishing touches of the towel heater, the grab bars, the niche in position, these beautiful sliding doors, so practical, so easy to get in, easy to get out. As you're getting on in years, you want to have that freedom and also security should you need a helping hand ever. And all in all, it looked stunning. You see the little towel unit is in there in position, and they were delighted. Definitely an upgrade from how it used to be, and far more practical, far more useful, far more stylish, far more modern looking, more contemporary looking. And now seeing it with them having all their bits and pieces in it and using it on a daily basis, I know that they're very pleased with it. I was delighted with it. It's great to see a transformation for something that was so dated and in need of a bit of tender love and care, but also in need of being more practical and more useful for them as they move forward. And yeah, just that slight difference in the height of the toilet makes a huge difference on a day-to-day basis. So really pleased with how this one turned out. These large format tiles really are stunning, and no more work really than ordinary tiles. As I say, once you get them started, you get them square and level, and you can't really go wrong with them, and the effect is fabulous, absolutely wonderful. So if you've got any questions, you've got any comments, and you'd like to know more about any aspect of the job, do let me know, because I'd love to have another set of happy customers like Fran and Mark. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If there's anything you'd like to know more about, do get in touch. Thanks again. All right, if after all that hard work you're in need of a little bit of a break, check out one of these videos of our travel adventures and put your feet up and relax a little bit.